Stop throwing out pickle juice. Welcome back to my channel for amazing food hacks and recipes you never knew you needed. Get ready for some next level flavor. We're starting with pickle juice marinated chicken. Grab your chicken. We're using 2 pounds of boneless, skinless thighs because they stay super juicy. Use a whole cup of that tangy pickle juice. Add 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and a teaspoon each of black pepper and dried oregano. Mix it all up and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 4 hours, but overnight is even better. When you're ready to cook, fire up that grill to medium heat or preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook until golden brown and cooked through, about 25-30 minutes, flipping halfway through. Get ready for some seriously juicy and flavorful chicken. Next up, we're ditching the boring old ranch and whipping up a crazy delicious pickle juice salad dressing. Combine half a cup of pickle juice with half a cup of mayonnaise. Add 2 tablespoons of honey for sweetness. For extra zing, add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard and a minced garlic clove. Whisk it all together until smooth. This dressing is seriously addictive. Drizzle it on salads, burgers, sandwiches, or just eat it with a spoon, I won't judge. Get ready for the ultimate brunch upgrade. We're taking the classic Bloody Mary to the next level with pickle juice. Rim your glasses with celery salt and fill with ice. Start with 6 ounces of tomato juice per glass and add a full ounce of pickle juice. Add a shot of vodka, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Season with salt and pepper and give it a good stir. Garnish with your favorites: celery stalks, olives, pickles, maybe even a mini grilled cheese sandwich. Go wild. Last but not least, we're giving a classic side dish a pickle juice makeover. Get ready for the most flavorful potato salad you've ever had. Start with 5 pounds of potatoes, peeled and cubed. Boil until tender, about 15-20 minutes. While the potatoes are cooking, make the dressing. 1 cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of pickle juice, half a cup of chopped dill pickles, and a 1/4 cup of chopped red onion. Add 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of celery seed. Season with salt and pepper. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain and let them cool slightly. Gently toss them with the dressing, being careful not to break them up too much. For extra flavor, stir in some chopped hard-boiled eggs and fresh dill. This potato salad is the perfect side dish for any barbecue, picnic, or just a regular Tuesday night. There you have it, guys. 4 mind-blowing ways to use leftover pickle juice. I hope these recipes have inspired you to get creative in the kitchen and never let a drop of pickle juice go to waste again. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the crazy food challenges and experiments I've got planned for you. Peace out!